Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we learn and solve exercise 9b questions chapter 9 and chapter name is ratio proportion questions 1 to 5 of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com and join my telegram group. Link is in description box. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 9b questions 1 to 5. Chapter name is ratio and proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1 and question number 1 is two numbers are in the ratio 11:7. If the smallest number is 700 then what is the larger number? Suppose the number is x तो दोनों नंबर होगा 11x and 7x. Two numbers will be 11x and 7x. If the smallest number is 700, that is smallest number here 11:7, the smallest number will be 7x equal to 700. ये दिया गया है 7x equal to 700. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. अभी x का वैल्यू हमको निकालना है. तो हम इक्वेशन चैप्टर में डिस्कस किए थे कि हाउ टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन यूजिंग द ट्रांसपोज मेथड. यहाँ पे 7 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है x के साथ 7x, तो 7 ट्रांसपोज होके राइट हैंड साइड में ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन में कन्वर्ट होगा. तो चेंज मल्टीप्लिकेशन टू डिवीजन, देन x विल बी 700 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 एंड 700 डिवाइड बाय 7 इज 100. x का वैल्यू निकला 100. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द लार्जर नंबर. व्हाट इज द लार्जर नंबर? सो लार्जर नंबर यहाँ पे है 11x. 11x विल बी 11 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 100. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू मिला है 100, तो 11x इज 11 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 100, दैट इज 1100. सो द लार्जर नंबर इज 1100. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is Amit and his sister's ages are in the ratio 5:4. If Amit is 45 years old, then how old is his sister? We have to find the Amit's sister's age. So here let the age is x. So Amit's age will be 5x. Here Amit's and his sister ages are in the ratio 5:4. So Amit का एज होगा 5x and his sister age will be 4x. 5:4, that is Amit age is 5x and his sister age is 4x. 5x and 4x. Amit age is 5x and his sister's age is 4x. If Amit is 45 years old, यहाँ पे अमित का एज दिया गया है 45 years. Given 5x is, so 5x अमित का एज है 5x, so 5x equal to 45 years. Now dividing both sides by 5. Here 5 multiplied with x, so we have to find the value for the variable x. So we have to divide by 5. 5x divided by 5. Then this 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So we have to divide 5x by 5. As we have to divide on left hand side, so we have to divide the same number on right hand side also. So here 5x divided by 5 equal to 45 divided by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. यहाँ पे 5 मल्टीप्लाइड हुआ है x के साथ, तो हमको वैल्यू निकालना है x का वेरिएबल x का वैल्यू निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे 5x है, तो 5x को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 5 के साथ. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 5 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका सेम नंबर दैट इज 5 को डिवाइड करना है राइट हैंड साइड में भी. तो यहाँ पे 5x डिवाइडेड बाय 5 होगा इक्वल टू 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. यहाँ पे 5 एंड 5 कैंसल, देन x विल बी 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज 9. 5 multiplied with 9 is 45. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला 9 ईयर्स। तो हाउ ओल्ड इज हिज सिस्टर, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द अमित सिस्टर्स एज। यहाँ पे अमित का सिस्टर का एज है 4x, तो हिज अमित सिस्टर एज विल बी 4x, that is x is 9 years, then 4x is 4 multiplied with 9 years, that is 36 years. So Amit's sister's age will be 36 years. Now we have to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is the length and breadth of a room are in the ratio 7:6. Find the length if the breadth is 12 meter. Suppose the length and breadth of the room will be 7x and 6x. Length of the room is 7x and breadth of the room is 6x. Length is 7x and breadth is 6x of the room. Length of the room is 7x and breadth of the room is 6x. And given that the length of the breadth of the room is 12 meter, that is breadth of the room is 6x. यहाँ पे breadth दिया गया है 12 meter, so breadth will be 6x. यहाँ पे 6x 7:6, that is breadth of the room is 6x, so breadth होगा 6x equal to 12 meter. 6x equal to 12 meter. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. 6 multiplied with x, we have to find the value for the variable x. यहाँ पे 6 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है x के साथ, सो यहाँ पे 6x को डिवाइड करेंगे 6 के साथ। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 6 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में भी 6 को डिवाइड होगा 12 के साथ, तो 6x डिवाइड बाई 6 इक्वल टू 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 6. Dividing both sides by 6, we get 6x divided by 6 equal to 12 divided by 6, and 6 will be cancelled. 6 and 6 cancel हो जाएगा, that is x equal to 12 divided by 6 is 2 meter. x का वैल्यू निकला 2 मीटर. नाउ फाइंड द लेंथ. हमको लेंथ का वैल्यू, लेंथ ऑफ द रूम निकालना है, तो लेंथ ऑफ द रूम विल बी 7x, that is 7 multiplied with 2. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला 2 मीटर, so 7x will be 7 multiplied with 2 meter, that is 14 meter. So length of the room will be 14 meter. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, in a box ratio of nails to screw is 4:7. If there are 20 nails, then how many screws are there? Let the nails and screws will be 4x and 7x respectively. In a box there are 4x and 7x nails and screws in a box. If there are 20 nails, यहाँ पे nails है 4x, तो 4x there are 20 nails, so 4x will be 20. Given, this is given, 4x is 20, nails is 4x and screw is 7x, so 4x equal to 20, this is given. How many screws are there? हमको कितना स्क्रूज वो बॉक्स के अंदर है उसको निकालना है, तो यहाँ पे 4x इक्वल टू 20, दिस इज द इक्वेशन. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व द वैल्यू फॉर द वेरिएबल x. x का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो यहाँ पे 4 मल्टीप्लाइड हुआ है x के साथ, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर द वेरिएबल x, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय 4. यहाँ पे 4x डिवाइड होगा 4 के साथ, सो 4 and 4 विल बी कैंसल, दैट इज x इक्वल टू 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. यहाँ पे 4 डिवाइड हो रहा है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो सेम वैल्यू 4 डिवाइड होगा 20 के साथ राइट हैंड साइड में, तो 4x डिवाइड बाई 4 इक्वल टू 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. Now 4 and 4 cancel. Now we get x equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. So now how many screws in the box we have to find out. So there are 7x. 7x is the screw. Number of screws is 7x. So 7x will be 7 multiplied with, यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला है 5. So 7 multiplied with 5, that is 35. 35 number of screws in the box. Now we get there are 35 number of screws in the box. Now you will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is which ratio is greater? First bit is 7 is to 8 or 2 is to 3. From these ratios you have to find out the which ratio is greater. You have to find out the greater ratio. 7 is to 8 and 2 is to 3. Here the antecedent in 7 is to 8 is 7 divided by 8. Antecedent is 7 and consequent is 8. And in 2 divided by 3, antecedent is 2 and consequent is 3. First we have to find out the LCM of the consequent, that is 8 and 3. LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. Because 8 and 3 there is no common factors. So first we have to multiply these two numbers, that is 8. Prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and prime factorization of 3 is 3 only. So we have to multiply these numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So LCM of the consequent 8 and 3 is 24. Now we have to convert these ratios into the equivalent ratio. That is multiplying the same number in both the numerator and denominator. That the ratio is called the equivalent ratio of that ratio. So 7 divided by 8. Which number we have to multiply the consequent 8? We get the LCM 24. When we convert the ratio to the equivalent ratio, just first find out the LCM and equating the LCM, equating the consequent of the ratio with the LCM. That is multiplying the which number we multiplying with the consequent of that ratio, we get the LCM. That is here consequent is 8. Which number we have to multiply the consequent 8, we get the LCM 24. We know in the table of 8, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So we have to multiply the number 3 with the antecedent, that is 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Now 21 divided by 24 is the equivalent ratio of this ratio 7 divided by 8. Now converting this ratio 2:3 into the equivalent ratio, that is equating to the LCM 24. And 2 by 3, which number we have to multiply the consequent 3, we get 24. In the table 3, when we multiply 3 with 8, we get 24. So we have to multiply the same number 8 in the antecedent also. So 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Now 7 divided by 8, equivalent ratio of 7 divided by 8, we get 21 divided by 24, and 16 divided by 24 is the equivalent ratio of 2 divided by 3. Now in both these ratios, 21 divided by 24 and 16 divided by 24, the consequent is equal, that is 24. So 21 divided by 24 is greater than 16 divided by 24, or 21 divided by 24 is the equivalent ratio of 7 divided by 8 is greater than, and 16 divided by 24 is the equivalent ratio of 2 divided by 3. Now 7 divided by 8 is greater than 2 divided by 3. So 7 divided by 8, that is 7:8 is greater. 7:8 is greater ratio. Now we will solve question number second B. 11:21 or 19:28. We have to find out the which ratio is greater between 11:21 and 19:28. First we have to find out the convert this ratio into equivalent ratio, that is equal to the consequent equal to the LCM, that is multiplying the same number with the antecedent and the consequent of the given ratio. First we have to find out the LCM of 21 and 28. Here antecedent of 11:21 is 11 and consequent is 21. So LCM of consequent 21 and 28, consequent 28 of 19:28. We know prime factorization of 21 is 7 multiplied by 3, and prime factorization of 28 is 7 multiplied by 4. So LCM of 21 and 28 is 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, that is 84. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. Now we have to convert this ratio 11:21 equivalent ratio, that is equal to the LCM, equal the consequent 21 to the LCM, that is which number we have to multiply the consequent 21, we get 84. We know 21 in the table of 21, 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. So we have to multiply the same number 4 with the antecedent 11 also. So 11 multiplied by 4 is 44, divided by 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. Now 44 divided by 84 is the equivalent ratio of 11:21. Now converting the ratio 19:21, 19:28. 19 divided by 28. Here the consequent 28 equal the consequent 28 to the LCM, that is 84. With which number we have to multiply the consequent 28, we get 84. In the table of 28, if we multiply 28 with 3, we get 84. So we have to multiply the antecedent 19 with 3. So 19 multiplied by 3 is 57. And 57 divided by 84 is the equivalent ratio of 19 is to 20. 19 divided by 28. Now in both the ratio 44 divided by 84 and 57 divided by 84, both have the same consequent, that is 84. And 44 divided by 84 and 57 divided by 84, 57 divided by 84 is greater ratio, 57 divided by 84 is greater than 44 divided by 84. A 57 divided by 84 is the equivalent ratio of 19 divided by 28. And 44 divided by 84 is the equivalent ratio of 11 divided by 21. So 19 divided by 28 is greater than 11 divided by 21. So 19 is to 28 is greater ratio. So between 11 is to 21 and 19 is to 28, 19 is to 28 is the greater ratio. Now question number 3rd B. 7 is to 16 and or 13 is to 24. Which ratio is greater? So first we have to find out, convert this ratio into equivalent ratio. That is converting, equate the consequent to the LCM by multiplying the same ratio, same number with both the consequent and the antecedent. So first we have to find out the LCM of the consequent 16 and 24. LCM of 16 and 24 is, prime factorization of 16 is prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 16. And prime factorization of 24 is 8 multiplied by 3. So LCM of 16 and 24 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. So LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. Now convert this ratio 7 is to 16 into equivalent ratio. Equate the consequent 16 to the LCM by multiplying the same number with both the antecedent and the consequent. Which number we have to multiply the consequent 16? We get the LCM, that is 48. We know in the table of 16, 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. So we have to multiply the same number 3 with the antecedent 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Now 21 divided by 48 is the equivalent ratio of 7 divided by 16. Now we have to convert this ratio 13 is to 24, that is 13 divided by 24 into equivalent ratio by equating the consequent 24 to the LCM, that is 48, by multiplying the same number with both the antecedent and the consequent of the ratio 13 is to 24. We know which number we have to multiply the consequent 24, we get 48. We know in the table of 24, multiplying the number 2 with 24, we get 48. So we have to multiply the same number 2 with the antecedent 13. So 13 multiplied by 2 is 26. Now 26 divided by 48 is the equivalent ratio of 13 divided by 24. Now 21 divided by 48 and 26 divided by 48 both have the same consequent 48. Now comparing the ratio 21 divided by 48 and 26 divided by 48, we have 26 divided by 48 is greater than 21 divided by 48. Or 26 divided by 48 is the equivalent ratio of 13 divided by 24. And 13 divided by 24 is greater than, and 21 divided by 48 is the equivalent ratio of 7 divided by 16. Now 13 divided by 24 is greater than 7 divided by 16. 13 divided by 24 is the greater ratio. So between 7 is to 16 and 13 is to 24, 13 is to 24 is the greater ratio. Now we will solve question number 7. In Mary's English class, the ratio of number of students receiving A grade to the total number of students is 6 is to 25. And in John's English class, the above ratio, that is the number of students receiving A grade to the total number of students is 5 is to 20. In John's English class, the ratio is 5 is to 20, and in Mary's English class, the ratio is 6 is to 25. Which class has a better record of A grades? In this question, we have to compare these two ratios, 6 is to 25 and 5 is to 20. Here the first in Mary's English class, the ratio, that is number of students receiving A grade to the total number of students is 6 is to 25. And in John's English class, the number of students receiving A grade to the total number of students is 5 is to 20. So we have to compare these two ratios. When we compare the ratios, we have to find out the LCM of the consequent. Then equate the consequent with the LCM, that is by multiplying the same number with both the antecedent and the consequent. Then after getting the same consequent in both the ratio, we have to compare which number is greater. So first we have to find out the LCM of the consequent 20 and 25. Here consequent of 6 is to 25 is 25, and consequent of 5 is to 20 is 20. So prime factorization of 25 is 5 multiplied by 5. And prime factorization of 20 is 5 multiplied by 4. That is here 5 is already here, 2 5s. So just multiply 4. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 5 multiplied by 4 is 600. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. Now LCM of 25 and 20 is 100. Now we have to convert this ratio 6 is to 25 into equivalent ratio. That is equal the consequent 25 with the LCM 100. Which number we have to multiply the consequent 25? We get the LCM 100. We know in the table 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. So we have to multiply the same number 4 with the antecedent 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now 24 divided by 100 is the equivalent ratio of 6 divided by 25. Now convert the ratio 5 is to 20, that is 5 divided by 20 into the equivalent ratio. Equate the consequent 20 with the LCM. We know which number we have to multiply the consequent 20, we get the LCM 100. We know in the table of 20, if we multiply the number 5 with 20, we get 100. 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. So we have to multiply the same number 5 with the antecedent 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now we get 25 divided by 100, which is equivalent ratio 5 divided by 20. Now in this ratio, 24 divided by 100 and 25 divided by 100 both have the consequent equal, that is 100. So compare the two ratio. This 24 divided by 100 and 25 divided by 100. 25 divided by 100 is the greater ratio. That is 25 divided by 100 is greater than 24 divided by 100. Or 25 divided by 100 is the equivalent ratio of 5 divided by 20. So 5 divided by 20 is greater than 24 divided by 100 is the equivalent ratio of 6 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 20 is greater than 6 divided by 25. So which class has a better record of A grades? That is 5 divided by 20, that is 5 is to 20. That is John's class, John's English class has a better record of A grades. So John's English class is a better record of A grades. So John's English class, that is 5 is to 20, has a better record of A grades. Now we will solve question number 8. Divide 84 rupees in the ratio of 5 is to 7. Divide this ratio, the sum is 84, this rupees in the ratio of 5 is to 7. So total ratio is 5 plus 7, that is 12. Total ratio is 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. Now first part is 5. 5 is to 7, that is 5 divided by total ratio, that is 12. 5 divided by 12 multiplied with 84. So 12 multiplied, cancelling 12 with 24, that is 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. Cancelling 12 and 84, we get 7. 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. Now 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. Now second part, that is second share will be here. The ratio consequent is 7. 7 divided by total ratio is 12 multiplied with 84 rupees. So cancelling this 12 with 84, you get 12 7 ja 84. 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. Now multiplying the 7 with 7, we get 49. So dividing 84 rupees in the ratio of 5 is to 7, we get a 35 and 49 rupees. If we add this number 35 and 49, we get 84 rupees. So our answer is correct. That is, this is the verification. When we add these two parts, that is 35 and 49, we get 84. 35 plus 49 is 84. So 84. So this is the correct. So first part, dividing this 84 rupees in the ratio 5 is to 7. The first part is 35 rupees and second part is 49 rupees. So the answer is 35 rupees and 49 rupees. Now we will solve question number second B. 450 gram divide 450 gram in the ratio 5 is to 4. First we have to find out the sum of the ratios, that is total ratios is 5 plus 4 is 9. Total ratio is 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9, and first part will be first this antecedent is 5 and consequent is 4 in 5 is to 4. 5 divided by total ratio is 9. 5 divided by 9 multiplied with 450 gram. We have to divide this 450 gram in the ratio 5 is to 4. So first part will be 5 divided by 9 multiplied with 450 gram. Now cancelling 9 and 450, 9 5 ja 4, 9 5 ja 4, 45. So 5 multiplied with 50. So 250 gram. Now second part will be 4 divided by total ratio 9. 4 divided by 9 multiplied with 450 gram. Now cancel 9 and 450. 9 5 ja 45. So 4 multiplied with 40. 4 multiplied with 50 which is equal to 200 gram. So dividing 450 gram in the ratio of 5 is to 4. The first part is 250 rupees, 250 gram. This is rupees. 250 gram, and second part is 200 gram. So two parts are 250 gram and 200 gram. Now third bit, divide a length of 1 meter 71 centimeter in the ratio of 11 is to 8. We have to divide the length 1 meter 71 centimeter, that is 171 centimeter. We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 1 meter 71 centimeter will be 100 plus 71, that is 171 centimeter. We have to divide this 171 centimeter in the ratio of 11 is to 2, 11 is to 8. First find out the sum of the ratio, that is total ratio. Sum of ratio is 11 plus 8 which is equal to 19. Now first part will be 11, this is antecedent is 11, 11 divided by total ratio is 19 multiplied with a length of 1 meter 71 centimeter, that is 171 centimeter. Now divide, cancelling 19 and 171. We know 19 multiplied by 9 is 171. So 11 multiplied by 9 is 99 centimeter. Now second part is consequent is 8. 8 divided by 19 multiplied with 171 centimeter. Now cancelling 19 and 171. 19 multiplied by 9 is 171. Now 8 multiplied by 9 cm is 72 cm. So dividing the length of 1 meter 71 centimeter in the ratio of 11 is to 8, we get 99 centimeter and 72 centimeter. So 99 centimeter and 72 centimeter are the answers. Now fourth bit, divide 3 liters in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. First find out the sum of the ratios, that is total ratios. Total ratios will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Now we have to divide 3 liters in the ratio of 1:2:3. So first part here three ratios, that is 3 parts are here. So first part will be this 1 divided by total ratio 6, 1 divided by 6 multiplied with 3 liters. So cancelling 3 and 6, we know 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so it is half liter. Now second part will be 2 divided by 6 multiplied with 3 liters. Now cancelling 3 and 6, we get 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1 liters. Now third part is 3 divided by total ratio is 6. 3 divided by 6 multiplied with 3 liters. Now cancelling 3 and 6, we get 2. Now 3 divided by 2 liters, that is 1.5 liters. So dividing 3 liters in the ratio of 1:2:3, first part is half liters, second part is 1 liter, and third part is 1.5 liters. Now we will solve question number 9. Share 170 rupees between Mr. Kohli, Mr. Dubey and Mr. Shukla in the ratio of 2:4:7. The total amount is given 170 rupees and we have to share this amount between 3 persons in the ratio of 2:4:7. That is, first person get 2 parts, second person get 4 parts, and third person get 7 parts. So first find out the total ratios. Total ratio is 2 plus 4 plus 7. That is, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. Now sharing 117 rupees between Mr. Kohli, Mr. Dubey and Mr. Shukla. So first part is first share. Mr. Kohli's share will be 2 divided by 13. Total ratio is 13. So 2 divided by 13 multiplied with 117 rupees. So cancelling 13 and 117, we know 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. So 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 rupees. This is Mr. Kohli's share. Mr. Kohli's share is 18 rupees. Now Mr. Dubey's share. Mr. Dubey's share will be 4 divided by 13. Total ratio is 13 multiplied with 117 rupees. Now cancelling 13 and 117, we get 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. So 4 multiplied by 9 is 36 rupees. Now Mr. Shukla's share. Mr. Shukla's share will be 7 divided by total ratio is 13 multiplied with 117 rupees. Now cancelling 13 and 117, you know 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. So multiplying 7 with 9, which is 63. 7 9 is 63. So Mr. Kohli's share is 18 rupees, Mr. Dubey's share is 36 rupees, and Mr. Shukla's share is 63 rupees. If we add these numbers 18 rupees, 36 rupees, 63 rupees, if we add all these shares, that is 18, 36 and 63, 18, 63 and 36. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 17, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 3 11. We get 117 rupees, which is equal to the total amount. So our answer is correct. So sharing 170 rupees between Mr. Kohli, Mr. Dubey and Mr. Shukla in the ratio of 2:4:7. Mr. Kohli will get 18 rupees, Mr. Dubey will get 36 rupees and Mr. Shukla will get 63 rupees. Now we will solve question number 10. Two numbers are in the ratio 8:9. If the sum of the numbers is 153, find the numbers. The sum of the numbers is 153, it is given, and two numbers are in the ratio 8:9. So first number will be sum of these numbers will total ratio will be 8 plus 9 is 17. So first number will be 8 divided by total ratio 17 multiplied with sum of the numbers is 153. Now cancelling 17 and 153, we get 17 multiplied by 9 is 153 and 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. Now second number is 9 divided by total ratio is 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 divided by 17 multiplied with 153. Now cancelling 17 and 153, 17 multiplied by 9 is 153. Now 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. So the numbers are 72 and 81. Now we will solve question number 11. Divide 1 hour in the ratio of 2:3. First find out the total ratio, that is 2 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now first part will be 2 divided by 5 multiplied with 1 hour. 2 divided by 5 multiplied with 1 hour. And we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 divided by 5 multiplied with 60 minutes. Cancelling 5 and 60, we know 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. So multiply 2 with 12 is 24 minutes. Now second part. 3 divided by 5, total ratio is 5. 3 divided by 5 multiplied with 1 hour. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. 3 divided by 5 multiplied with 60 minutes. Now cancelling 5 with 60. We know 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. Now multiply 3 with 12. 3 multiplied by 12 is 36 minutes. We get 24 minutes and 36 minutes. If we add 24 minutes, this first part and second part, that is 24 minutes and 36 minutes. 24 plus 36 is 60 minutes. So our answer, that is 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. So answer is correct. So dividing 1 hour in the ratio of 2:3, the first part is 24 minutes and second part is 36 minutes. So 24 minutes and 36 minutes are the answers. Now we will solve question number 12. A bag contains tomatoes, potatoes and onions in the ratio of 6:9:5. If the weight of these vegetables in the bag is 2 kg, find the weight of each of them. The weight of all the vegetables, tomatoes, potatoes and onions in the bag is 2 kg. It is given. And the ratio of tomatoes, potatoes and onions in a bag is 6:9:5. This is given. So first find out the total ratio of these vegetables. So total ratios of the vegetables is 6 plus 9 plus 9. 6 plus 9 plus 5. Which is equal to 20. Now we have to find out the weight of each of them. That is weight of tomatoes, weight of potatoes and weight of onions. So weight of tomatoes is 6 divided by 20. Multiplied with total ratio is 26 divided by 20 multiplied with 2 kg. 2 kg, that is, we know 1 kg is 1000 gram and 2 kg will be 2000 gram. That is 6 divided by 20 multiplied with 2000 gram. And cancelling 20 and 2000, we know 20 multiplied by 100 is 2000. So 6 multiplied by 100 is 600 gram. Now weight of tomatoes is 600 gram. So weight of potatoes will be 9 divided by 20 multiplied with 2000 gram. 2 kg is 2000 gram. Now cancel 20 and 2000, that is 100. Now 9 multiplied by 100 is 900 gram. So weight of potatoes is 900 gram. Now weight of onions. Now weight of onions will be 5 divided by 20 multiplied with 2000 gram, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500 gram. So weight of onions is 500 gram, weight of tomatoes is 600 gram and weight of potatoes is 900 gram. If we add these numbers, that is 500 gram, if we add these weights of these vegetables, weight of all these vegetables 500 gram, 600 gram and 900 gram, we get 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. That is 2000 gram, which is equal to 2 kg. So our answer is correct. So weight of onions is 500 gram, weight of tomatoes is 600 gram and weight of potatoes is 900 gram. So 500 gram, 600 gram and so 600 gram, 900 gram and 500 gram. These are the answers. So weight of tomatoes is 600 gram, weight of potatoes is 900 gram and weight of onions is 500 gram. Now we will solve question number 13. The ratio of number of students enrolled for basketball to the number of enrolled for cricket in the school is 3:13. If the number of students enrolled in for the cricket is 52, find the number of students enrolled for basketball. The options are 39, 12, 16 and 9. It is given that number of students enrolled for the cricket is 52 and number of students enrolled for basketball to the number of enrolled students for cricket in the school is 3:13. Number of students enrolled for cricket is 13. Number of students enrolled for basketball is 3x and students enrolled cricket is 13x. Now it is given that the number of students enrolled for cricket is 52. That is 13x is equal to 52. That is x will be 52 divided by 13, which is equal to 4. So number of students enrolled for basketball will be 3x. 3x which is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12. So number of students enrolled for basketball is 12. So option 2, 12 is the correct. Option B, which is 12, is the correct option. So number of students enrolled for basketball is option B, 12. Option B is correct. Now we will solve question number 14. The ratio of the income to the savings of a family is 15:4. Find the expenditure if the saving is 2,800 rupees. The options are 13,500 rupees, 10,500 rupees, 7,700 rupees and 9,000 rupees. The ratio of income to the savings of a family. Let the income of a family is 15x and savings of a family is 4x. X savings of my family is 4x. Find the expenditure if the saving is 2,800 rupees. It is given savings is 2,800 rupees. So 4x will be 2,800 rupees. It is given. So x will be 2,800 rupees divided by 4, which is equal to 700 rupees. Now income will be 15 multiplied by 700 and saving is 2,800. 2,800. Now income will be 15x, which is equal to 15 multiplied with 700. X is 700 we got. So 15 multiplied with 700, and 15 multiplied with 7 is 105. 105 0 0. So 10,500 rupees is the income. We have to find the expenditure. If the saving is 2,800 rupees. Now we got income is 10,500 rupees and saving is 2,800 rupees. It is given, and we have to find the expenditure. We know saving is income minus expenditure. So expenditure will be income minus savings, which is 10,500 rupees. Income is 10,500 rupees minus saving is 2,800 rupees, which is equal to 0. 15 minus 8 is 7. This is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7,700 rupees. So 7,700 rupees, that is option C is correct. So option C is correct. So expenditure of the family will be 7,700 rupees. Option C, that is 7,700 rupees is the correct option. Now we will solve question number 16. Question number 16 is the ratio of the speeds of two vehicles is 2:3. If the second vehicle covers 72 km in 2 hours, what is the speed of the first vehicle? It is given that ratio of the speeds of two vehicles. Ratio of the speeds is 2:3, it is given, and the speed of the second vehicle covers 72 km in 2 hours. So let the speeds of two vehicles be 2x and 3x. Speed of two vehicles be 2x and 3x. And it is given the second vehicle covers 72 km in 2 hours. Second vehicle is, speed of second vehicle is 3x. So 3x is equal to 72 km. So x will be 72 divided by 3, which is equal to 24 km. And this speed of the second vehicle covers 24 km in 2 hours. So 24 km second vehicle cover 24 km in 2 hours. In 1 hour it covers 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12 km. So in 1 hour the speed of the second vehicle covers 12 km. So second vehicle covers 12 km in 1 hour. Then we have to find out the speed of the first vehicle. We got the speed of the first vehicle in 1 hour is 12 kilometers. Second vehicle cover 12 kilometers. So first vehicle will cover, it is given 2x each. Speed of the second vehicle covers in 1 hour 12 kilometers. Then speed of the second vehicle x is 12 kilometers. We got this is 3x and 3x is 72, x is 24. In 1 hour it covers 12 kilometers. So speed of the first vehicle will be 24 kilometers. Speed of first vehicles will be 3x is 24 and 3x is 72, x is 24 kilometers. We got that. So speed of the first vehicle will be 2x, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 12, that is 24 kilometers. So speed of the first vehicle is 24 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. So speed of the first vehicle is 24 kilometers per hour. Keep learning, keep watching, and please visit my blog mathsgrade.com. Link is in here. https www. This is my blog link, and join my telegram group. This is my telegram group link. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.